From the Stripe dashboard, click on the Settings button at the top right of the screen. Then on the product settings, you want to click on the payment option. From the payment settings, you want to tap on these payment methods. On this page, you may scroll down and search for Apple Pay option. And then at the Apple Pay, hover your mouse over it, on top of it, and click on the Enable button besides it. Then you are good to go. This is the draft for my payment link, and as you can see, Apple Pay payment is already a part of the payment method. Just keep in mind, sometimes it takes times for Stripe to include the new payment method, even few hours in my case when I try to add another payment method to my Stripe account. Well, also there is a region lock for some payment methods. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.